Welcome. Thank you for taking a minute to take a look at our videos here at Guarantee RV. My name is Barb. I'm showing you a Coachmen Catalina today, a super nice rig. This is a new Catalina that has a 5/8 ton groove flooring on it, which is very nice. It's solid. It has radiant heat because it's a residential style. A nice dedicated dinette so you can sit down and visit, and a sofa. They've got some nice things in the back, and I'm going to start back here because this is really, what's important to you guys. There's quite a bit of storage here, and I really like the idea that they've gone to a lighter color. It's so much easier than, it just makes things feel fresher and cleaner and a little more roomy. They have an outlet down here. We've got some storage under here on each side of the dinette, and then of course this table will break down if you wanted to make this a bed for a grandchild or a friend that was coming along. It's got a great bathroom, and I'm just gonna, you guys can see for yourself. You don't need a whole bunch of description. It's got this stand-up shower. It's got a nice basin, a cabinet below and a cabinet above for your cosmetics and your supplies in there. This is a 24-foot trailer, so a 24-foot trailer is going to be a perfect match for going into any RV park. If you're going into a state park, a county park, a private park, this is a great size. It's just, they always have a place for you. It's got a really nice refrigerator. I'm fond of Norcold. One of the reasons I am fond of Norcold is I really like this concave freezer compartment. If for some reason you got in a hurry when you got home and you didn't get things set, put together quite right, and there was something melting, it wouldn't be coming down the front of the rig. Now you heat this trailer just like you heat your house. So if you want it to be cool, you set this automatic system on cool, and it'll come on and come off. Same thing with the heat. They have provided a really cute little kitchen here. You've got this nice little oven. And of course you've got the range top here, and this gets up and out of the way, and some nice decor on the back side of it, a microwave. This is a double sink. I'll just kind of have you take a peek at that. So you've got a nice area here. A sink is a sink, but they did put a nice spigot in here, so if you can spray a few things off. It comes down and around. You can move it out of the way. Just easy smeezy stuff. And of course, good cabinets. The cabinets are nice. They're well built. They're wood. They're not a bunch of plastic. If there's not a wrap on them, they're actually wood. This is a Coachmen product. Now, Coachmen's been building RVs for about 63 years or better. So you got a deck of drawers here. One of the things that I want to show off here real quickly is this beautiful fireplace. Just imagine that you are out and it's raining like the dickens. You're in the park, and so now you're in the RV. Now you've got this beautiful fireplace. You can sit at the table and play some cards or shoot the bull or have a drink. They provided a really nice TV. This sofa folds into a beautiful bed, a very comfortable, really thick, cushy bed. So someone that maybe weighed close to a couple hundred pounds would still be comfortable. These are kind of cool. So what RV has a bar stool so you can sit up here and shoot the bull with everybody in the room, anybody that's cooking? Just super nice. I think it's a great layout, don't you? It's short. I mean, it's a smaller RV. This is one big slide here. 24 feet is a great size to consider as your RV. It's lightweight, it's easy to tow. You can tow this RV with a half-ton truck. And it's got a nice bedroom as well. It's private. And when it's lit up, it's really beautiful. They've used light cabinetry in here. Of course, you have the lights. It's a long bed, cross ventilation, a place to put a television if you'd like, air conditioning, the whole Marianne. So I'm going to take a little walk outside with you and show you some of the outside features of it. And then invite you to come on out and take a look at it. I like the grab handle, and I love the stairs. Stairs have been different. This is a brand new concept, and it is working just beautifully. In this 243 RBS Catalina, it's an entry-level coach, and they still gave you top-notch quality components. You have aluminum rims here, which are going to keep your brakes cool when you're going down a hill. aluminum fender so it's not going to break off if something happens. This is your entertainment system. You got speakers up there and all the hookups, all the things that you need. It's a beautiful awning, and of course they provide you with an LED light. You come around the back, and it has your other components. So now you've got a backup. It's wired for a backup camera. The camera isn't already there, but it can be, and very easily one of our technicians could do that at time of delivery. Got a spare tire, the wash station, the city water connection, black flusher. I think that they mean, for me, I could just take this thing out, hang it up here, and I'd be taking my own shower just like that. Anyway, come on, I gotta have a little bit of fun. 30 amp service. Here's the cable satellite. All of your discharge hoses are going to be right here, so it's all in one place. Very convenient. You got this nice long slide, and people worry about slides, so let me show you this. I'm going to have the cameraman show you that mechanism right up underneath there. Do you see that that's solid steel? That is going to come in and out long after the trailers that I've done. They're really trouble-free. We do not have them come back. It's not the wires and the cables, and it's not running on any type of a worm drive. That is the way to go. You got storage again, so take a look at that real quick. I want to show you this little doodad that I had made. I love it. It's a little canvas bag. My name is Barbara Balcom. I'm Barbara D at Guarantee RV. This is a 24-foot trailer. I can't tell you any more about it other than the fact that it's fantastic. You can tow it with anything. Please give me a call. I'm at 541-521-4232. I want to visit with you, and if you'd like to, I'd like to have you come out here and so I can show it to you. 541-521-4232. Thanks, folks. I appreciate it.